Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to move stash cars in GTA 5. Moving your stash cars is a straightforward process that can help you organize your valuable vehicles. We'll cover the essential steps to ensure your cars are exactly where you want them, making your gameplay more efficient and enjoyable. Get ready to master car relocation in just a few simple moves. First, you'll need to locate the stash car you wish to move. Open your in-game map and you'll see various icons. Look for the distinct car icon that signifies your stash vehicle. Once you've identified it, simply set a waypoint and drive to that location. This initial step is crucial for beginning the relocation process effectively. Now that you've found your car, the relocation is simple. Get into the stash car you want to move. Drive it to any of your available garages or safe houses where you have a parking spot. Once you arrive, simply drive the vehicle inside the designated parking area. The game will automatically register its new location, saving it for you. To manage your stash cars effectively, consider using multiple garages across the map. This allows for quick access depending on your mission needs. Always think about the value of your vehicles and store your most prized possessions in secure, easily accessible locations. Regularly checking your map ensures you always know where every car is, keeping your inventory organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.